right, for this lesson, we are starting our unit on reading informational text. So this is just our introduction of what we'll be learning inside of this unit. So in this unit, you'll learn how to find two or more central ideas in a nonfiction text, how to track how ideas grow over time, to write an objective summary, to understand how people, events, and ideas interact, to make inferences and support them with text evidence. Now, these are skills that can help you understand all kinds of text, including articles, essays, biographies, and a lot more. So when you're reading, the big reading questions that you'll want to ask yourself as you read is, what is this mostly about? How does the author build on that idea? What are the key details or examples? What can I infer that isn't directly said? And how do people, events, or ideas affect each other? So always back up your thinking with textual evidence. I'm going to say it over and over again. You guys need text evidence for everything. So quotes or paraphrased parts of your text. When you're taking your tests, you will be required to look back at the text and provide your evidence. So just kind of make sure that you always have that in the back of your mind. The question is, how do I know? What in the text tells me that this is true or not true? So we're also going to focus on vocabulary and word choice. So use context clues to figure out word meaning. Pay attention to the author's word choices. They affect tone and meaning. And then look for strong or emotional words or connotations. The author chooses their words very carefully for everything that they write. And they have connotations or emotional attachments to those words that help the reader to understand and feel the things that the author wants them to. So for example, he marched feels stronger than he walked, and it does evoke a different kind of emotion. Okay? All right. By the end of this unit, you will be able to identify the main ideas and support them, explain how ideas, people, and events connect, use evidence like a pro, and write summaries and inferences with confidence. So let's get ready to dive right in. You guys got this.